Hey tennis fans, big news is coming out ahead of Wimbledon, and no, it's not just about Novak Djokovic chasing title number 25. We're talking luxury mansions, a move to Greece, and a future beyond the court. Novak Djokovic, one of the greatest athletes tennis has ever seen, is reportedly preparing to say goodbye to his £8.5 million mansion in Marbella. Yeah, you heard that right. 9 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a private spa, game room, and, of course, a tennis court. All of that might soon be left behind. So what's next for the 24-time Grand Slam champ? According to Greek media outlet Protothema, Djokovic has decided that when he retires, Greece will become his new home. Apparently, he even had lunch with the Greek Prime Minister, Kyriakos Mitsotakis, and word is, he's been granted a golden visa, which allows him to live in the country for at least 5 years. Not a bad choice, right? I mean, Greece offers sunshine, privacy, and peace, a perfect retirement setup after 2 decades of dominating the tennis world. Now keep in mind, Djokovic is the last man standing from the Big Four. Federer, Nadal, Murray, all retired or winding down. But at 38 years old, Novak is still grinding, still pushing, and still dreaming big. He's now prepping for Wimbledon, which kicks off June 30th. He's a 7-time champ there, but has come up just short in the last 2 finals. Both times losing to Carlos Alcaraz, and even though he made it to the French Open semis, that hunger for one more slam win, it's still very much alive. But get this, Djokovic says he's aiming to play all the way until 2028. Why? Because he wants Olympic gold in Los Angeles. He said, quote, "The only thing on my mind right now is the 2028 Olympic Games in Los Angeles. Not even Grand Slams are driving him as much as the chance to represent Serbia on the Olympic stage again." As for his stunning Marbella mansion, that's where he and his family spent the pandemic, a real sanctuary. But as Novak begins thinking about life after tennis, it looks like he's ready for a new chapter. One with less media frenzy, and maybe more feta and sunsets. So, what do you think? Will Greece be the perfect retirement paradise for Novak Djokovic? Can he really push until 2028? And will we see one last iconic Wimbledon run this year? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all things tennis. From court battles to off-court bombshells, we've got you covered. See you next time.